Assalamu alaikum. Shemi Jamuz Papat Kashur The Anwan Shur Tato Bacho Asmaklo Rati Purit Shur Az Karo Emik Lafaz the Mane the Bekaro Saval Safa number Chu Arhur Safa number Chu Arhur Chloe Panin Kitab Bakery Pano notebook Ite likhu savalan jawab Lafaz the mani yar go dost chaman go baag khandar go garuk malik ya garwol sheerkhar go dod jon ya dod shur simit go itfaq ya baradari ya yakut sahar go gash ya phalnuk waqt azam go irad te himmat Tato Bacho, which duyim saval, jawab likho. Saval chi diet, ashi iman jawab lekhon. Gonuk saval chu, shuri kyaj chu manan, ash paghi khandar. Tato Bacho, likho saval jawab, emuk jawab chu, shuri chu Kom ke yanwal kal asan yan kal asan te yemcha badan te paghi khandar asan duyum saval shu shiren kus kam karnuk irad chu jawab emik chu Shiren poz mannuk, apuz travnuk, adab hishnuk, ilim parnuk to lokan akar bakar yannuk irad. Akar bakar yannuk irad. Trim saval ch ilim parit kemis yan shur bakar. Emuk jawab chu Tato Bacho ilim parit yan shur lokan bakar. Makli saval. Wuchu trim saval. Trim saval chu yaman labzan juroyu patkain dar to banayu lafaz. Achi misal dit ras pachu pulas pachu dar pachu is equal to go ras dar. Ashra lavni car plus dar is equal to car dar. Over samajh bacho wuchu godnuk lafaz chu maz kya chu maz at kya hai ko is likhit mazdar kya hai ko is likhit mazdar magar ash lekhun it patan maz plus dar is equal to go iti go mazdar ite pachu duyim dan plus dar is equal to dandar. Patko nun. Kya pata? Nun. Go nun. Go plus dar. Go nun dar. Pat till. Go till. Pad go dar, pad go til dar. Ita pochu pata Tato Bacho dash. Kya chu? Dash. Go acho da